Hi, I hope this season and this quiet reflective month has been kind to you in its own way. December always feels a little different, doesn't it? Slower, heavier, but also full of small warmth. Today I decided to try something new. I am finally using these stamps I have been wanting for a long time. As the year slowly comes to an end, I can't help but think about all the things I plan to do. There were lists, ideas, promises to myself, and in the end, I only managed to do very little of it. And that's the strange part of life. It makes me feel a little sad, but at the same time, it teaches me gratitude. Because even in doing less, I was still living, still learning, still becoming. This year has been challenging, full of changes, ups and downs, moments of growth, moments of doubts. There were phases where everything felt too loud, and others where everything felt completely silent. But I'm grateful that I found my way back here, back to creating, to sharing, to being present. I have finally been active on YouTube this year, and that alone feels like a small victory. So, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. I'm really glad you found your way here. I have always wanted stamps like this, and this time, while I was shopping for gifts for others, I decided to get something for myself too. They're honestly so beautiful, simple, delicate, quietly joyful. This is what they looks like, just as you saw earlier in the video. They're very easy to use, almost effortless, and somehow that makes the whole process feel so much lighter. Let's slow things down a little while I cut the card I want to paint. This is usually the moment when my thoughts wander the most. When I look back at January, it sometimes feels scary. The version of me from then feels like someone I once knew but no longer am. Where I'm standing now is completely different, and strangely enough, that brings me relief. I know I'm not carrying all my baggage or sadness into the new year, not everything at least. The strangest part of it all is knowing that a year from now everything will be different again. New worries, new joys, new versions of ourselves. And the only thing I truly hope stays the same is me being kind to myself and others. It's a bittersweet feeling, one that only December knows how to give. December feels like a month of both achievement and loss, of holding on and quietly letting go. I have carried bits and pieces from last year into this one, and today I am choosing to leave most of it behind, to enter the new year a little lighter, a little softer, a little more honest with myself. People may stay or they may leave. Life keeps moving that way, but what we give to people, our care, our effort, our love, about letting mistakes exist without fixing them right away. It reminds me of that not everything needs to be productive to be meaningful. This card isn't meant to be perfect, it's just meant to be honest. A simple, small piece of time preserved in color and paper. I think that's what I love the most about handmade things. They carry fingerprints, pauses, a little imperfection that tell a story, a reminder that someone sat down, took a breath, and made time. As the year closes, I don't want to rush forward anymore. I just want to sit down. I want to sit with what was, with what stayed, and what quietly left. The moment, this simple act of creating, feels like a pause between chapters. Not an ending, just a breath. If you are watching this, I hope you are doing okay. Even if things feel uncertain, even if you didn't do everything you planned, stay gentle with yourself. Stay where you are for now. As I move from painting to wrapping, the room feels quieter. The kind of quiet that feels safe. The kind that let you hear your thoughts without being afraid of them. Wrapping gifts always makes me think about the people they are meant for, about shared memories and conversation and laughter and even distance. Sometimes we don't say everything we feel out loud, but we hope small gestures will speak for us. I take my time here, folding carefully, adjusting edges, trying again when it doesn't work the first time. There's no rush, just me, paper tape, and intention. I realize how much I love can exist in small act, in choosing a color, saving dried flowers, in wrapping something gently, even when no one is watching. This dried flower has traveled with me through the year, from a moment of pride, relief, and quiet celebration. I didn't know where it belonged back then, but somehow I waited, and now it feels right, like everything eventually does in its own time. And as this year comes to a close, I wish you a soft ending and a kinder beginning. Happy New Year.